Magandang laban to.
Ya, may ibiyak.
Ay! Lalagyan ko sa mata. Hindi ba ako? Laban ko ng Sporting at saka Pakis.
Wala, hindi naman nagpuntahan ka agad din eh.
Ay, sir. Pag-iinip na naman ang kamaya-mamaya.
Laloy, magkakape ka? Ikaw dyan, magkakape ka? Magkakape ka?
Oh, tatlong kape. Committee, tatlong kape.
Ano ang pilihan ni Ali? Ali lang yung mga Nasir. Nasir. Wala pala dito.
Sa lahat dyan, pipir mo yan.
Hindi pwede.
Ito. Idol, shoutout ka muna, Idol.
Shoutout pala sa sindikato.
Oh, sindikato to na live, ha?
Pangilangan na ito? Kailang season?
Fourth.
Fourth season.
Okay.
Successful.
Yan. Akin, yan. Siguro. Salinas. Magandang laban to. Main event. Main event. Ito yung bagong coach ngayon. Pascual, Jimboy. Shout out. Yung manager, Boss Bandar. Sporting versus Paki. Ito po yung main event natin ngayon, Sporting versus Paki. Evento ngayon. Okay. Magandang laban to, magandang laban.
Kahit ongoing game, hindi makakapaglaro pag hindi.
Picture kayo, pipicture muna kayo mga idols. Pipicture muna kayo. Pipicture kayo. Pipicture muna kayo. Dito sa may free throw, sa may free throw. May free throw. Yan, sa may free throw. Coach. Bisa mo.
Ay, Diyos ko, Lord. Sige ako.
Okay, let's begin our last game for tonight. Battle between Sporting versus Paki here. First by Ball Sporting. Number 18, Razon. Number 02, Jadid. Number 21, Velasquez. Number 13, Salinas. And number 25, Monting. First by for Paki. Number 72, Panganiban. Number 48, Ajensa. 12, Reyes. 17, Paklibare. And number 20, Bangilista. Of all the players, meron lang po kaming concern, no? Lahat po kayo pipirma. Lahat kayo pipirma. Papipirmahin kayo ni manager. Lahat kayo kailangan yung pumirma. Protection yun ng bawat isa.
Hoy, Control your bench, ha? Dol, upo ka na lang. Huwag ka dyan maupo sa may ano. Doon ka sa kabila.
Nagarilyo ka na rin kasi.
Ayan. Okay, let's begin. Maglalaro, hindi kasali, damdamin. Good luck both teams. Ayun na. Sabi ka, nagawa ng bola, Rason. Basket count, Kevin Bram, Rason. Evangelista, dribbling the ball. Paso por Levare. Ganda ng assist. Sumablay. Ayun na. And Rason lilipad. Basket count, Kevin Bram, Rason. 9 minutes and 32. 4-0 ating score, Evangelista. Paso Atienza open. Sumablay. Rebound. Ayun na. Monding. And Salinas. Paso Velasquez. Pass to Tek Rason. Nauna trouble bago nag-lane. Reyes, pass to Panginiban. Back to Reyes. Pass to Panginiban. Back to Barry Page. Back to Reyes. Portrait. Sumablay. Rebound. Ayun na. Good ball yan. And Panginiban. Sumablay. Ayun na. Rason. Dribbling the ball. Rason pa rin. Meron ng foul. Foul number 17, Paklibare. Two free throws for Rason. Paklibare, first personal foul. Nang tira pasok. Last draw. Sablay, Evangelista for the rebound. The score is 5-0. Evangelista dribbling the ball. And the floater, Sumablay. Evangelista pa rin. Pass to Paklibare. And Atienza open. Basket down. Coming from Atienza. Ball two. And Salinas. Pass to Guru. And Guru dribbling the ball. Ayun, still kami from Evangelista. Evangelista basket down. Kami from Evangelista. And Guru. 18 awed. Ayun, still Paklibare dribbling the ball. Paklibare pass to Reyes. At meron ng foul. Na itinawag kay number 30, Guru pushing foul. First personal foul. First team foul. Nang tira pasok. Last throw. Score tie game at 5. Ayan, 100% shooting. Change favor. Paki leading by a half shot. And Guru dribbling the ball. Pass to Velasquez. Ayun na, Tek Rason, Portrait. Sumablay, rebound. Ayun na, Velasquez. And Velasquez pass to Guru. 10 to shoot. Pass to Munding, nabitiwan. Ayun na. And Guru, pass to Tek Rason. Rason. And one. Basket count, foul number 48. Atienza first personal foul. Second team foul. And bonus shot for Tek. Rason. And basket. A score 8-6 in favor of Sporting. And Evangelista. Paso Paclibare. Open. For 3. Bang! Paclibare. For 3. Goro dribbling the ball. Paso Munding. Ganda ng assist. Velasquez for 2. Ayun na, Reyes. 18 na win. 6 minutes and 50. Evangelista break. 14. At meron pushing foul na hindi nawag kay number 21, Velasquez. First personal foul. Second team foul. 14 to shoot. Reyes. Evangelista for 3. Evangelista for 3. Ayun na, Guro dribbling the ball. Pass to Salinas. Pass to Munding. Open. Ganda ng assist. Out. At meron ng foul na itinawag kay Paclibare, number 17. Second personal foul. Third team foul. And 2 free throws for Velasquez. Oh, nang tiro busok. Last throw. Down basket coming from Velasquez. He scored tie game with 12, 6 minutes and 23 seconds. And Raxel Reyes pass to Paclibare for 3. Suma Blay, Guru for the rebound. And Guru, ayun na. And Paclibare for the steal. Paclibare, ayun na. Panganiban. Poster. 6 minutes and 2. Razon. Pass to Munding. Pass to Velasquez. And Sablay, rebound. Velasquez, erase. And Panganiban. Pass to Reyes. Reyes leading the ball. Reyes for in. Pass to Atienza open. Suma Blay. And Guro dribbling the ball. Guro for in. Pass to Velasquez. Ayun na, Munding. He's coming from Velasquez. And Evangelista dribbling the ball. Ganda ng pasa. Oh, substitution. Palit. Atienza out. Velasquez out. 18 seconds shot clock. 18 seconds shot clock. Ayun na, Rosal. Pass to Paclibare. Fake. 14. Reyes open. Basket jam. Comes from Reyes. Butcher. He scored 16-14 in favor of Paquet. 2-point lead. And Guri tinawid. Pass to Munding. Ayun. Ayun na, Panganiban. Pass to Reyes, open. Basket count. Timeout! Sporting.
Score po natin. Paki 18, Sporting 14. 14-18 po ang score. 14-18.
And we're back to the ball game. 5 minutes and 4 seconds out in first quarter of the game. They score 18-14. 4-point lead for Team Paquet. Bola ng pula. Galing sa shoot. Ayun na. And Guro receiving the basket. Pass to Munding. 15 to shoot. Zeng, pass to Guro. 12. Tap for 3. Sumablay. Uy. Kitang-kita ng gulang. Number 20, Bangalista, substitution.
Panganiban.
Panganiban. And Bangalista out. And Dumulugdog, the threat is in with Kangaroo. Ayun na. Paklibare out. Fidel in. Ayun na. Tapiga, nagawa ng bola. Saipo. 10. And Guru. 5. Rason for 2. And Ali drilling the ball. Pass the Bulldog. Open. Oh, basket down. Sanggalang. Guru. 18 awed. Pass to Rason. 14. Pass to Munding. Open. 4-3. Blay saying for the offensive rebound. The race. Substitution. Munding out. Tumog in. Time out. Pake.
Score po natin. Paki 20, Sporting 16.
Back to the ball game. He scored 20-16 in favor of Paki, 4-point lead. And Ali receiving the basket. Pass to Sanggalang, 4-3. Blay, Fidel. And turnaround shot, Blay, Tumog for the rebound. Pass to Rason. And Rason reading the ball. Pass to Guru. Pass to Tumog, 4-3. Blay. And Fidel. Pass to Ali. Ali doing the ball. Ayon, Tumog for the steal. Ayun na. And Rason for the. And the threat. Jago Dumulugdog. Dribbling the ball. 20-18, 2-point lead. Ali the Kangaroo. Ayun na, Fidel. Ganda ng assist. Oh! Fidel for the. And Guru dribbling the ball. Pass to Saipo. May ball na. At meron ng foul na itinaw kay Ali, number 9. Substitution. Jam. Penalty na yan, penalty. And 2 free throws for Saipo Tanog. Nandito pasok, last throw. Ayon sa Blay, rebound, Rosal. Pass to the track, Dumulugdog. Raising the ball, 4-3. Blay, rebound, ayun na, agawan ng bola. And Singh, pass to Tek. Rason. Lilipad, Rason for 2. And they score 22-21, 1-point lead. Ali, pass to Rosal. Back to Ali. Pass to Sanggalang, open. Blay, Saipo for the rebound. Ayun na. Rason dribbling the ball. And Singh, back to Rason. Laser and for 2. 23-22, 1-point lead for team Sporting. 2 minutes and 7 seconds. Ayun na, Ali. 14. The threat, 4-3. Blay. And Tumog, pass to Rason. Pass to Marmol. And Marmol dribbling the ball. Pass to Tumog. Running shot, Sablay, Rasal for the rebound. Pass to Sanggalang. Pass to the threat. Back to Sanggalang. At meron ng foul. Naitinaw kay number 50, Frank. First personal foul. Substitution. Third team foul pa lang yan. Third team foul. 1 minute 37. Unang tira pasok coming from Sanggalang. Tie game at 23. Last throw. Ang basket coming from Sanggalang. He scored 24-23. Paki leading by a half shot. Ayun na Marmol. Pass to Tumog. 14. Ayun na. Ali dribbling the ball. Ayun na Ali. And Sumablay. And Jadid. Pass to Saipo. Saipo. Angat. Overshoots. Ayun na. Tumog. Sablay. Rebound. Ali. Pass to the threat. Tumalugdog. And ayun. Nice defense coming from Marmol. 19 to shoot. 59 seconds remaining. 19 to shoot. Ayun na, Sanggalang. Pass to Fidel. 14 to shoot. Ali open. Ganda ng assist. And basket count coming from the threat. Tumalugdog. Putter. Marmol. 18-0. He scored 26-23. Jadid. 14. Pass to Tumog. Open. Portray. Bang! Tumog. Portray. And this 3-point shot is brought to you by Gandur Company. 24 seconds. He scored tie game at 26. Shot clock 17.
26 all ang score natin. 26.
14 to shoot.
All 26.
10. Pass to Sanggalang, fake. The threat, turn around shot, Sablay. 4. And almost, but not quite.
End of the first quarter. All. Score po natin. 26 all, 26 all. Dikitan na ba naman ito?
Okay, back to the ball game. This is our second quarter. Bola ng Paki. Depensa pula. Depensa Sporting. Dadami talaga viewers na. Bola ng Paki.
Shout out po sa lahat ng
Okay, let's begin our second quarter. Ayun ang Reyes. Paso Ali. And Reyes for 3. Sumablay. Saipo for the rebound. And Marmol leading the ball. Pass to Tumog for 3. Sumablay. Rebound. Reyes. Reyes. Pass to Kaliwan. Sumablay. And Jadid. Dribbling the ball. Pass to Tumog. And basket down. Coming from Tumog. Putter. He scored 28-26. 2 points led for team Sporting. And Ali. Yun lang. Tapon sa bao. Ayun ang siyat. Pass to Marmol. And Marmol. Ganda ng pasa. Jadid. Sumablay. Ali for the rebound. Ayun na. Reyes. Dribbling the ball. Ayun. Back to Reyes. Open. Basket down. Coming from Reyes. Putter. He scored tie game at 28. Magandang laban mga kapatid. Ayun na, Marmol. Pass to Jadid. Pass to Suyat. Open. Sumablay. Gabion for the rebound. And Kaliwan receiving the basket. Ayun, nice steal coming from Saipo. Ayun na, Jadid. Dribbling the ball. Jadid, angat. Uy, at merong foul. Saglit lang, kukunin lang natin foul. Foul number 11, substitution. Saipo out. Banjo. Bangkat in. And 2 free throws for Jadid. Unang tiro sa Blay. Last throw. Score tie game at 28. Ang basket coming from Jadid. 29-28. 1 point lead for Team Sporting. 8 minutes and 20. Bangilista. Paso. Ayun na. Portre. Sablay. Oh. At meron foul na itinawag kay number 12 at 72. Panganiban. First personal foul. Second team foul. Ayun na, Jadid back to Marmol. Back to Marmol. Marmol at
20 from behind, pushing.
ayun, 20 from behind, pushing foul. Bangilista. Bangilista, second personal foul. 14 to shoot. Ayun na, Bangkat. Pass to Marmol. And Marmol. Ay, traveling. Reyes, pass to Kaliwan. Portre. Sumablay, uy. At merong holding foul na itinawag kay Gabion. Number 10. First personal foul, warning for penalty. Ayun na, Marmol. Dribbling the ball. Pass to Suyat, 14 to shoot. Ayun. 10. Good ball yan. Ayun na. And Gabion. For 2. Ayun na, Marmol. Pass to Suyat. Oh, and 1. Basket count. Foul number 20. Tatlo na. Bangilista. Substitution. Jadid. Penalty na tayo. Penalty. Bonus shot for Suyat. Bonus shot. Substitution. Bonus shot for Suyat. And Sablay, Gabion for the rebound. And Gabion dribbling the ball. Pass to Reyes. 14 to shoot. Reyes open. Portre. Bang! Reyes from downtown. Portre. Ayun na, Rason. Pass to Bangkat. Substitution. Kaliwan out. Ginisa in. Substitution. Hamza. Ayun na. Reyes, pass to Paklibare. And Paklibare dribbling the ball. Pass to Ginisa. Back to Paklibare. 14. Reyes, Portre. Bang! Reyes, Portre. 36-31. 5 point lead for team Paki. Rason, pass to Marmol. Ganda ng assist. And Sablay. Tapikan, agawan ng bola. Uy! At meron tayong jump ball. Bola ng Sporting. Bola ng Sporting. 14 to shoot. 14 to shoot. Ayun na, Rason. 10. Rason, Portre. Sumablay, Velasquez. Angat, Sablay. And Rason, Sablay. Pakaniban. For the rebound. Pass to Baclibare. Ayun na. And Rexel to Gabion. Pick. Sumablay, Gabion. Oh, and still gamit pa Baclibare. Uy, still gamit pa Marmol. Ayun na, bangkat. All day to shoot. Sumablay, Rason. Dribbling the ball. Rason pa rin. Igot. And overshoot. Rebound. Ayun na. And Reyes. Dribbling the ball. Reyes. Uy, meron ng foul. May foul na, may foul na. Pushing foul. Ay, tinawag yung number 83. Marmol. Marmol first personal foul. Substitution. Marmol out. Guru in. Gabion out. Fidel in. Ayun na. Ayun, Tapikan. And Guru. Pass. Uy. Oo.
Sir, lagyan nyo ng spray, sir.
Hamstring yan. Oo, hamstring yan. Palitan na natin player. Palitan na natin player. Coach, palitan mo na yung player. Hamstring yan. Sige, ipo nyo. Ano yan, nurse yan si yan. Hamstring yun. Ayun na, Baclibare. Pass sa Panganiban. 14 to shoot. 10. Back pass to Fidel. 4-3. Sumablay. Ayun na, Tapikan. Nagawa ng bola. And Rason. Dribbling the ball. Rason. Lilipad. 4-0. Ayun na, Baclibare. Dribbling the ball. Ganda ng assist. Sumablay. Monding. Ayun na, Guru. Dribbling the ball. Pass to Bangkat. 4-3. Bang! Bangkat! 4-3. He scored tie game at 36. 4 minutes and 10. And Panganiban. Pass to Baclibare. 14. Baclibare 4-3. Sumablay, rebound, Tapikan. Uy. At meron ng foul, may tinawag. Pushing foul. Penalty yun. Fidel, first personal foul.
Hindi na magagamit mamaya yun, ha?
Nang tira pasok coming from Tetek Rason. Lastro. And substitution. Ay na, Panganiban. Tanggal lang. Blocking foul na tinawag kay Senk. Number 50. Second personal foul, second team foul. 14 to shoot. Ay na, Fidel, open. Sumablay. And Tapikan, nagawa ng bola, Munting. Rason, ay na. 4-2 situation. Rason, lilipad. bongkat, sumablay, Paklibare driving the ball, 2-in-1 situation, and Paklibare for 2. Zeng, 18-0, pass to Guru, and Guru, pass to bongkat, back to Guru, 14 to shoot, pass to Rason. Holding foul. 8, number 8, holding foul, second personal foul, Fidel, penalty yan. 3 minutes and 12 seconds remaining sa ating game clock. Unang tira nating batnet coming from Tetek Rason. Last throw. And Sablay, rebound Fidel, pass to Paklibare. 3 minutes and 7 seconds. Paklibare dribbling the ball. Pass to Reyes. Holding foul ang itinawag kay number 30, Guru, substitution. Rexel Reyes. Guru, second personal foul. Third team foul. 14 to shoot. Ayun ang Ali, isipin the basket. 10. At meron foul. Ay, tinawag kay number 50, Feng. Tatlo na. Third personal foul. Warning for penalty. And 2 free throws for Ali Nasser. Unang tira lumabas pa. Last throw. 2 minutes and 48 seconds. He scored 39-38. Is Sporting leading by a half shot. Ayan Sablay, rebounding. Pass to Guru. And Guru dribbling the ball. Pass to Munding for 3. Sumablay, rebound. Ayun na. And Ali, pass to Paklibare ang ati-raise. Eighteen to shoot. Substitution. Ayun na, the threat. Pass to Ali. 14. Ayun na, open, Sanggalang. And basket count. Coming from Sanggalang. For 2. He scored 40-39. 1 point lead. Siso battle. And Guru dribbling the ball. Pass to Bangkat. Open for 3. Sumablay. Ayun na, Rizal. Pass to Ali. Ali tinawid. Pass to the threat. Dumalugdog. Sanggalang open. Sumablay. Rason for the rebound. And Rason dribbling the ball. Rason pa rin. Tuguelo. Ayun na, BT1. And Paklibare dribbling the ball. Paklibare pass to the threat. Dumalugdog. For down. Ayun na, Rason. Pass to Bangkat. Back to Guru. Bangkat open. For 3. Bang! Bangkat. For 3. A score tie game at 42. Gandang laban mga kapatid. 1:08 remaining. Ayun na, Paklibare. Foul number 30. Penalty na, penalty. Guru, third personal foul. Tatlo. Nang tira pasok. Lastro.
Poko lang. Poko muna.
Substitution. Tatlo na jam. And Marmol. Wala. Upo lang. Nabigay na bola. Dribbling the ball. 54 seconds remaining. Monting open. Sumablay. Ali for the rebound. And Ali dribbling the ball. 4-in-2 situation. Ali for the... And Marmol. Pass to Monting. Back to Marmol. Marmol pa rin. Uy, meron ng foul. Ay, tinawag kay number 9, Ali. Substitution. Penalty. Ali, second personal foul. 37 seconds remaining. Marmol shooting 2. Nang tira sa Blay. Lastro.
Score po natin. 46-47.
Ayon sa Blay, rebound, tapikan, Rasal, paso Ali, 3-on-2 situation. And Ali angat, basket down. Good ball yun, wala nang overhead ngayon. Ayun na, Marmol. Running the floor. And Sumablay, uy. 13 to shoot. 20 seconds remaining, 13 to shoot. 13 seconds to shoot. 20 seconds remaining. Salinas, pass to Marmol. 10. Pass to Bangkat. 5. Salinas. At good ball yan. 4 seconds. 4 seconds. 4 seconds. Ayun na, Monting, 4-3. Sumablay. And that's the end of the second quarter. He scored 48-42, 6 points lead for Team Pake.
6 po, kalabangan ng Pake. 6. 6 po, 6. 48-42, 48-42. 48-42.
Barat. Pasir.
Okay, back to the ball game. This is our third quarter. Bola ng Pake, Depensa Sporting. Bola ng Pake, Depensa Sporting. Sinabi ko na kay Jason kanina. Habang maraming nanonood. Bibigay tayo ng Gandor products para sa audience. Chocolates, cupcakes, and chips. Para ma-experience naman ng mga bagong manonood natin. Ayun na. Nasser. Pass Evangelista. And Rasal. Back to Evangelista. The floater. Sablay. Back Libare. Portable back. Sablay. And Marmol for the rebound. And Marmol. 18 awed. Pass to Monding. Open. Monding. And back Libare dribbling the ball. Back Libare pass to Ali. Ali! Potter! To shoot. 10. At meron ng foul. Ay, tinawag kay Rizal. Teka lang, inukuha yung foul. Hindi ko makita. Substitution. Paklibare out. Rizal, first personal foul. First team foul. And Marmol shooting 2. Nang tira nating batnet. Last draw. They score 50-43. Bucky leading by 7 points. Ayon, short. At meron foul na tinawag kay number 01, Saipo. First personal foul. First team foul. And Evangelista. Evangelista pa rin. Paswali. Portre. Sumablay. Rason for the rebound. Pass to Marmol. And Marmol dribbling the ball. Pass to Bangkat. Open for three. Sumablay. And Rasal for the rebound. Ayun na Ali. Pass to Zanggalang. Zanggalang. Ayun. Sablay. Rebound. Tapikan. Rasal. Pass to Ali. 10 to shoot. Evangelista. Pass to Zanggalang for three. Sablay. And Evangelista. Pass to Rasal. Sumablay. Rason. Dribbling the ball. At meron ng foul. Tinawag kay Evangelista. Fourth personal foul.
Pushing. Second motion.
Meron second motion na itinawag kay Rason. Kasama sa foul yan. Wala na tayong second motion. Tactic. Ayun na, Marmol. Pass Bangkat. Portre. Sumablay. Oy, ganda naman nun. Saipo for 2 for the Budbak. They score 50-45. 5-point lead. Ayun na, Gabion. Laser in for 2 coming from Gabion. And Marmol dribbling the ball. 7 minutes and 45. Pass to Munding. Blocking ka dun. Number 10, Gabion. Substitution. Bangkat out. Tumog in. Fifteen to shoot. Ayong ganda ng pasa na yun. Saipo for 2. And Fidel. Pull up. It's good for 2. Injury. Balikat na yan. Munding. Palitan muna natin. They score 52-47. Ayun na, Marmol. Ayun, basket count kami ba Marmol. Ayun sa line. Natin 14, Tumo goes in. And basket down coming from Tumo for 2. He scored 54-51. Substitution. Timeout. Okay.
That's the correct score. Score po natin. Paki 54. 51. Sporting 51. 54. Nakasakipigal doon sa gilid. Shout out Abyang.
Back to the ball game.
Okay lang po
He
kami
scored
rito.
54-51. 6 minutes and 46 seconds remaining.
Okay lang po kami rito, ma'am.
19 to shoot.
Abyang.
Ayun ang Ali.
Home. Check mo tayo ha.
Oh.
Tuwad. Uniform. Kanina pa yun.
0-1.
Saipo.
Saipo. Tuck in tayo, tuck in. Ayusin yung tuck in nyo. Oo. Alam niyo namang technical yung hindi naka-tuck in eh. Seventeen to shoot. 17 to shoot. Ayan po, nagmimigay po tayo ng Gandor products. Ayan, para matikman nyo. And Panganiban. Paso Rexel for 3. Bang! Yes! For 3. Ayun na, tumog. Paso Marmol. And Marmol dribbling the ball. 14. 10. Tumog for 3. Sumablay. Rebound. Fidel. Paso Ali. And Ali dribbling the ball. Ali pa rin. Paso Gabion. 14. Reyes open. For 3. Bang! Reyes for 3. Back-to-back 3-point shot coming from Rexel. Reyes. And Razon pulling the ball. Razon for 3. Tapos, ayun na. Good ball yan. And Ali dribbling the ball. Ali pa rin. Pass Fidel. Open for 3. Lumabas pa and tumog for the rebound. Pass Marmol. Marmol dribbling the ball. Marmol pa rin. Ayun na, Tanog. Ayun, still. And Ali dribbling the ball. 3-on-2 situation. Ali. Pass to Rexel. Open. Basket count. Time out. 14.
Score po, score.
Score 62-51.
62-51 po. 51 Sporting. 62 Pakel.
Back to the ball game.
Huwag ka sa ilalim. Tao-tao sila eh. Huwag ka sa ilalim. Huwag ka, huwag ka. Kabila eh.
Foul number 24, Dumalugdog, holding foul. Warning for penalty. I know. And Marmol dribbling the ball. 10. Marmol angat. Sumablay. Saipo sablay. Ayun na. And Rexel dribbling the ball. Rexel pa rin. Pull up. Ayun. Ganda ng assist. And basket count. Coming from Panganiban for 2. Ayun na, Dumalugdog. Pass to Rexel. Back to the threat. Dumalugdog. 14 to shoot. Panganiban. Fake. And basket count. Coming from Panganiban. 4 minutes and 12. 66-51. Marmol. May foul na, may foul na. Foul number 12. Penalty substitution. Saipo. And 2 free throws for Marmol. Unang tira pasok. 66-52, 4 minutes and 7 seconds. Substitution. Marmol out. Ayun na, Rexel Reyes. Driving the ball. Ayun. Oh, good ball yan. Ayun na. And Razon lilipan. Basket count. Coming from Razon. 66-55, 11 points lead. And Rexel driving the ball. Pass to Panginiban. Ayun na, Fidel open. Sumablay. And Guru for the rebound. Guru dribbling the ball. Pass to Suyat. Pass to Seng. Ayun na, still, oy, nang hawak ng kamay. I think number 50, holding foul. Fourth personal foul, third team foul. Substitution. Ayun ang Gabion, paso, dumalugdog. Paso Paclibare. Paclibare signaling the play. Paso Reyes. Reyes open. Bang! Reyes for three. And Goro dribbling the ball. Goro pa rin. Paso, tek Razon for three. Sumablay. And Razon angat. Basket down. Coming from Razon. Hotel. And Paclibare. 69-57. Pass to the Maglog. 14 to shoot. Pass to Paclibare. Good ball yan. 5. Reyes. Open. Sublime. Gabion. For the good back. And Kuro. 71-57, 2 minutes and 18. Guru dribbling the ball. Basket count. Foul number 24, Dumalugdog. Bonus shot for Guru. Dumalugdog, second personal foul. He scored 71-59. Bonus shot. Ayong basket coming from Guru, substitution. 71-60 ang ating score. 11 points led, 2 minutes and 16. Substitution. Gabion out. Ayun na, Paclibare. Dribbling the ball. Paclibare pa rin angat, erase, ayun na, erase, tapikan, and Suyat, pass to Tumog, ayun na, still coming from Reyes, pass to Dumalugdog, ayun na, oy, Tumog, and one, bigay report, basket count. Foul number 24, Dumalugdog. Dumalugdog, third personal foul. Bonus shot for Tumog. Bonus shot. Substitution. Bonus shot for Tumog. Ayon Sablay, Paclibare. Paso Ali. He scored 71-62, 1 minute and 40. And Dumalugdog. Double foul, ay dinawag. Ay number 02 sa red. Sa puti, Sanggalang. Jadid and Sanggalang, double foul. 14 to shoot. Ayun ang Ali. Back to the trap. Dumalugdog. Pass sa Paclibare 10. Meron ng foul na dinawag kay Razon. Number 18, penalty. Razon, second personal foul. A score 71-62, 9-point lead. And 2 free throws for Paclibare. Unang tiro busok. 72-62. 1 minute 27 seconds. Last throw. Ayan, supply, rebound siya. Pass si Guru. And Guru itinawid. Pass sa Tumog. Fake. Tumog pa rin. Angat. Basket down. Coming from Tumog for 2. Ali receiving the basket. 72-64, 8-point lead. 1 minute and 5. Ali. 14 to shoot. Pass to Rosal, open, sumablay, and dumalugdog. Oh. At meron foul na itinawag kay Tumog. Pushing foul. Penalty. And 2 free throws for the trap. Dumalugdog. 53 seconds remaining. Oh, nang tira nating batnet coming from Dumalugdog. Last draw. And basket 100% shooting from the free throw line coming from the trap. Jago Dumalugdog. 48 seconds. Kuro driving the ball for 3. Sumablay. Ayun na. And Ali driving the ball. Ali pa rin. Angat. Basket down. Ayun na. Guru driving the ball. Pass to Razon. Traveling. Traveling violation yun. 21 seconds. 21 seconds. Score 76-64. Wala na tayong shot clock. 18 seconds. 14. 10. Ayan na, Rosal. Sanggalang, basket down. 2. And that's the end of the third quarter. Score 78-64.
78-64 po. 78-64. Labang po ang pake. Lamang pa ang pake.
Okay, back to the ball game. Bola ng Sporting. Bola ng Sporting. Depensa ang pake. Depensa ang pake. Bola ng Sporting. Bola ng Sporting.
Inbound kayo, inbound.
Inbound ng Sporting. Bola nyo. Sporting. Ayun na. Tek-tek pass to Guru. And Guru dribbling the ball. Back to Razon. For 3. Bang! Razon! For 3. And Dumalugdog dribbling the ball. Dumalugdog. Dinura. Sumablay. Rebound. Foul number 28, Rosal, pushing foul. And number 28, technical. Ibaba mo lang bola. Huwag mo i-ano sa referee. Okay, labas dyan. O, kahit biro yun, hindi pa pwedeng ganun. Bola. Dito sa ilalim ang labas niyan. Dito sa ilalim. Score 78-68. Ayun na, Guru. Reading the ball. Pass for the zone. 4-3. Sumablay. Pumo for the putback. 78-78 point lead. Wala. Mamaya. Ayun na. And the threat. Dumalugdog. 18 awed. Pass to Paclibare. 4-10 to shoot. Paclibare driving the ball. 10. 4-3. Sumablay. Rebound. Ayun na. At may holding foul na itinawag. Tayo dumalugdog, number 24, substitution. Dumalugdog, fourth personal foul. First team foul. Ayun na, Guru. Score 78-70. 14 to shoot. Sumo go back. 4-3. Sumablay, rebound, fake, and palm Sablay, Ali, uy. At meron ng foul na itinawag kay number 30. Guru holding foul. 4 na. Fourth personal foul. First team foul. Ayun na, Paclibare. Dribbling the ball. Paclibare pa rin. Angat, basket down. Guru, pass to Jadid. Sumablay, Panganiban for the rebound. Pass to Paclibare. And Paclibare dribbling the ball. Paclibare pa rin. Pass to Rexel Reyes. Rexel for 3. Sumablay, Ali for the rebound. And Ali dribbling the ball. Back to Paclibare. 10. 7 to shoot. 4. Wala nang shot clock. Dito bola. Ayun na, Guru pass to Tek Rason. 80-70, 10-point lead. Rason. At meron ng foul na itinawag kay Paclibare. Number 17. Third personal foul. Warning for penalty. Substitution. Warning pa lang for penalty. In 7 minutes and 51. Ay na, tumog. 10. Ay, nasipa na. No. Ay na, Ali. Pasok ang iniban. 14. 10. Sanggalang fake. 5. Ayun lang, still coming from Jamjum. And Jadid lilipad. Basket count. Time out. Okay.
Score po natin 72-80. 8 na lang po ang kalamangan ng Pake. Back to the ball game.
80-72 ang ating score. 8-point lead for Team Paki. 7 minutes and 10. Ayun na, Ali. 18-awed. 14. Pass Reyes. Reyes for 3. Sumablay, sanggalang. Oy. Meron ng foul na itinawag kay number 02. Jadid. Loose ball foul na itinawag. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Foul number 02. Huwag mo hawakan. Huwag mo hawakan. Third personal foul. Oh, lateral lang. Body-body lang. Huwag mo hawakan. Para hindi ka matawagan. Third team foul na. Ayun na. Gabion. 10. Ayun, ganda ng assist. Sumablay, rebound. Ayun na, Guru. Dribbling the ball. Guru pa rin. Tumog for 3. Sumablay. Panganiban, skying for the rebound. And pass to Reyes. Reyes open for 3. Sumablay. Ali for the rebound. And Ali pa rin dribbling the ball. 10 to shoot. 7, Ali for 3. Sumablay to move for the rebound. Ayun na, Razon dribbling the ball. For 3. At landing spot yun eh. Foul number 21. Sanggalang, penalty. Penalty yan. At tatlong burrito yan. Tatlong burrito. Sanggalang, second personal foul. Substitution. Nabigay na pala, nabigay na, mamaya na.
Dalawa pa tayo mo pala, di ba? Pumasok sa Blay.
Unang tira sa Blay, dalawa pa. Ay, wag muna kayo maingay dyan. Last throw. Ayun, Sablay, Saipo, for the feedback, Sablay, Saipo ulit, angat, erase. Bola, Sinsim. Substitution. Ten to shoot. Ayun na, tumog. 7. Razon. Ayun na, Ali. Dribbling the ball. Pass to Sanggalang. Basket count. 5 minutes and 44. 82-73. Evangelista, 5 fouls.
Sabi yun! Hindi pa sa kom.
Nakataas lang kamay, hindi ka naman tinagiliran, nakataas lang kamay. May tawag na, pag may tawag na, stop the play na. Maglaro lang kayo.
Ref!
Mga tol.
Technical. 20 Paula, Nathaniel Paula.
Nathaniel Paul. Oo, Nathaniel ang foul. Tapos,
Rason ha?
Rason.
Anspo.
Anspo for second motion.
Second motion. Sir, bola sir, tumama yung bola. Tumama yung bola. Lampas na yung bola.
Oh, patirahin niyo muna, Sporting. Patirahin niyo muna. Oh, kasi penalty. Titira ka ng free throw. Titira ka ng free throw. Penalty yan, penalty. Oh, dito bola. Dalawang free throw kay Gabion. Dalawang free throw plus ball possession.
Ngayon na. Time out na ngayon pag na-shoot. Kausapin mo si Rason, ganun.
Isa pa. Plus ball possession yan, plus ball possession. Sablay. Time out, Sporting.
Score po natin. 82-75. Pake, 82. Sporting, 75.
Back to the ball game. Oh, pasok na. Oh, nag-buzzer na. Ayun na, Reyes. Dribbling the ball. Reyes pa rin. Paso Ali. 14 to shoot. Ayun na, Paklibare. Basket count. Ganda ng assist. 5 minutes 18. 84-75. And Marmol. Dribbling the ball. Paso Rason. Paso Guru. 10. Oh, yeah. Ayun na, Paklibare. Dribbling the ball. And Paklibare pa rin. Line violation. Ayun na. Marmol. Ay, ganda ng assist. Basket count. Coming from Guro for 4 minutes and 42. Ali. Itinawid. Ganda ng pasa. Rexel. Peke. And Guro dribbling the ball. Guro pa rin. Angat. Sablay. Rebound. Saipo, pass to Tek Rason for 3. Sumablay, Ali for the rebound. Ayun na, pass break. Ayun na, Reyes. And basket down. Coming from Reyes. Guro, pass to Jadid. Pass to Rason for 3. Suma. Oh, Rason for 3. Ang panganiban back to Ali. 88-80, 3 minutes and 52. Ali signaling the play. 14 to shoot. 10. Pass to Reyes. Reyes for 3. Sumablay. 3 minutes and 34 seconds remaining sa ating game block. And Marmol. Pass to Guro open. And Guro angat. Erase. Bola Simsim. 4-10 to shoot. 4-10 to shoot. Ayun na, Saipo. And pass it down, from Saipo for 2, 88-82, 6-point lead. Ali dribbling the ball. Porten. And Pakaniban dribbling the ball. 8. 5. Traveling. Two minutes and 53 seconds remaining sa ating game block. Ayun ang Marmol. Dribbling the ball. Pass to Saipo. Basket down. Coming from Saipo for 2. 88-84. 4-point lead. Ali dribbling the ball. And Ali pa rin. 18 awed. Pass to Paklibare. 14 to shoot. Paklibare. Pass to Ali. 10. Ali for 3. Sumablay, rebound, Jamjun. Ayun na, Guro dribbling the ball. Guro, angat, basket down. Ayun na, pass play. Pass to Sanggalang. Sanggalang for 2. 2 minutes and 5. 90-86, 4-point lead, Marmol. 14 to shoot. 10. Ay. Tumama sa pa. Shot clock 14 to shoot. 1 minute and 50. We are under last 2 minutes. And Marmol dribbling the ball. 10. Foul number 17. Penalty. Paklibare for personal foul. Penalty. Nantira pasok. Last throw. Basket. 98-8. 2-point lead. And Ali receiving the basket. Ali dribbling the ball. Usog ng konti. Kenneth, usog ng konti. Naka-uniform ka. And Rexel dribbling the ball. Rexel pa rin. Traveling yun. Ayun na bola. Nasa loob na bola. 1 minute 31. And Marmol dribbling the ball. Pass to Pecek Rason. Basket down. Johnny Bam Rason. Ali. Score deadlock at 90. Usog ng konti. Upo lang. Ayun na Ali. Dribbling the ball. Gumuhit na. Substitution. 14 to shoot. Paklibare out. Wala pang bola. Katawan lang. Body check. Meron ng foul. Foul number 02, Jadid. Fourth personal foul. Apat ka. Warning pa lang for penalty. Substitution. Sanggalang out. 1 minute and 10. 14 to shoot. 14 to shoot. Ayun na. Panganiban. Paso Rexel. 10. Reyes for 3. Sumablay. Ali for the offensive rebound. Ali dribbling the ball. Ali pa rin. 7. Ayun. 2. Oh, may foul. May foul. May foul. Foul number 18. Oh, may foul. Oh, may foul. Penalty. 45 seconds. Last 45 seconds remaining. Ganda ng laban. Rason,
Score po natin, 90 all. 90 all po ang
and
score.
2 free throws
90
for
all.
Gabion.
All 90.
Unang tira pasok. Last throw, 45 seconds. Last throw. Sumablay and Marmol dribbling the ball. Marmol pa rin angat. Walang ans po dun. Walang ans po dun. Ordinary foul yun. Hindi legal play yun. Legal play yun. Ali, third personal foul, and Marmol shooting two. Both teams are in penalty. Last 40 seconds. Nang tira pasok.
All 91 to the score.
He scored deadlock at 91. Last throw.
All 91.
Wait for the release. Wait for the release.
91 all po score natin.
Ayun, basket.
Ang napang sporting.
40 segundos.
Sporting.
Ayun na, Rexel. Dribbling the ball. Reyes pa rin. Ikot. Ayun na. Steal. Guru. Up. At meron foul. Ay, number 8. Holding foul. Sino yung number 8? Fidel. Third personal foul. Okay na po. Substitution. Two free throws for Guru. Kulang. Huwag masyadong ma-excite. Kulang. Kalma lang. Nang tira pasok. Kami from Guru. 93-91, 29 seconds. Last throw. Wait for the release. Sablay, rebound, Paklibare. Oy! And Rason. Meron ng foul. Pushing foul ay tinawag kay Paklibare. Number 17. 5 fouls. 24 seconds remaining. 24 seconds. Two free throws for Rason.
Ang ganda ng laban po.
Nang tiro sa Blay. Last throw. May timeout, may timeout. May ta-timeout ka ba? Ta-timeout ka? Ta-timeout, wag na shoot. Oh, ta-timeout, wag na shoot. Last throw. And timeout. Okay. 94-91.
Oh, front court, throw in, front court.
14 lang ang shot clock. Front court throw in. Front court throw in. Front court throw in. Front court throw in.
Score po natin. 91-94. Lamang po
Back to the ball
ng
game.
tatlong Sporting.
Hawak ha, walang hawak. Walang hawak.
Front court, throw in sila. 14 lang ang shot clock nila. 14 lang ang shot clock nila. May timeout lang isa. If ever ma-shoot, may timeout isa.
14 lang ang shot clock niyan. 14 lang ang shot clock. We are 24 seconds remaining. 24 seconds remaining. Both teams penalty. Both teams penalty. Both teams penalty. Ayun ang Ali. Pass to Fidel. Back to Ali. 10. 7. Ayun na. Sanggalang. Basket down. Time out! Sporting.
Paki 93. Sporting 94. Isa lang po ang lamang.
Wala tayong hawak ha. Wala tayong hawak. Ganda ng laban. And ayun na. Meron ng foul. Meron ng foul. Meron ng foul. Foul number 8 Fidel. 10 seconds remaining. 10 seconds. Penalty. Substitution.
Timeout pa sila.
Wala na. Both teams wala ng timeout. Both teams wala ng timeout. And 2 free throws for the Sun. 10 seconds remaining. 10 seconds.
Sige, sige, sige.
Nandito pasok. Last throw. 95-93. Last throw. 10 seconds. Basket down. Substitution. 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 May sub yun. May sub yun. 10 seconds remaining. 10 seconds. I know, Rachel. 8. 5. Ayun, race. And just the end. Ayun, kamayan tayo both teams. Kamayan tayo. Napakaganda ng laban. Kamayan tayo both teams. Napakaganda ng laban.
Panalong Sporting.
Kamayan
Panalo.
tayo.
96,
Kamayan tayo.
93. Panalo pong Sporting.